Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shakira, and today we're gonna be opening up a Snackcrate box. So I don't really know what to call it or whatever, but you know, a couple of days ago I was on Instagram and I came across this commercial ad, and it was talking about get a dollar box full of snacks. I think it's like 6 or 5 snacks for $1. I was like, bet. So I was like, okay, it's $1. So when I was able to get the box, I got the box. Y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all a story though. Okay, so just to let y'all know before y'all order it from this website, which is Snackcrate. I don't want to show this because this is my address, but like yeah, anyways, so I got the box, and as I was paying, there was a little note under it that said it basically said that like you have subscribed to us and stuff like that, and it was like, don't worry, you can cancel it in your settings. So I was like, okay, cool, because y'all, I already knew that I didn't want to like subscribe to it. I just wanted to try it one time and see if I liked it, and if I like it, then maybe I would do it again. I don't know. I didn't want a whole account for it, so I was like, okay, cool. So after I bought it, I go into my settings and I look to cancel it, and it's saying that it's a $14 fee. Sorry for the noise in the back, but I was like, anyways, back to my story. So I was like, whoa, $14 to cancel it, like what? So I had to wait a couple of days, because I'm gonna be honest, I didn't have it at the time. So I had to wait a couple of days, and then after, when I got it, I was like, okay, like that's dead. But so the point of the story is that, like, I don't know if it's every little company like that or not, but this company, like, you have to be a little careful. This little story about that. So yeah. So anyways, so I wanted to be surprised, so I actually clicked the random, I don't know exactly what it was called, but basically the random one. So they chose which country it's coming from, and then obviously they chose the snacks. You can't choose your snacks, but whatever country they wanted me to have is what they picked for me, because I wanted it to be a little random and stuff like that. So I literally don't even know what I have. So we're just gonna open this right up real quick. I'm not gonna waste any more time. Let's get straight into the video. I just have it. Okay, so I'm about to open it. So I'll open it right like this. Open it. Oh, y'all, I am so like, actually, I'm really happy about this. Okay. So the first thing, well, I'm gonna read the box. It says, welcome to this month's snack adventure. Get social with us, share your snack experience, and then with the hashtag Snackcrate. Okay, so the first little thing is it's just basically, telling you to go there, snacks. Okay, so my box came from Poland. Can y'all see? Y'all see that? Poland. I don't know. Y'all can see that, but yeah. These are the different types of snacks. Can y'all see this? This is different types of, oh gosh. Y'all cannot see this. Okay, different types of snacks that are in there. Okay, that's it. Okay, so that is that. I'm just gonna set that right there. And then I got little stickers. Oh, y'all, this, my bad, my light is like, okay. Y'all still really can't see that. Stickers. And then there's that. So the first snack that I have is Tats. Tats. They're just, obviously, they're just potato chips. Oh, actually they're not bad. Like, these are actually pretty good though. Okay, but you know how when you eat just a regular old potato chip, it's kind of crunchy. This is more soft. It's soft but it's crunchy. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It's just, it's something. Next is I don't even know how to pronounce that. It's just pretzels. I think it's a little funny, but it's bacon flavored pretzels basically. Yo, this actually tastes like bacon. Like, it actually tastes like bacon. I don't get pretzel vibes though. I don't know what I get, but it's not pretzel vibes. Like, it's really bacony. Like, that's one thing for sure. They don't lie about their flavors. Because you know how sometimes when you get something and it be like, it's bacon flavored or, you know, sour cream, whatever it is. Sometimes it like misses the taste of like what it's supposed to be. No, this actually hits like, it actually tastes like bacon. Oh. It leaves a weird, nasty aftertaste in your mouth. I'm not gonna lie. Come here. I want you to try something. Come here.
Okay.
Alright, I want you to try these. It's a potato chip. Do you like it?
No.
No?
No.
Okay. Try the pretzel.
It tastes like.
What does it taste like? What's that?
Oh no.
Bacon?
Bacon.
Do you like it?
No.
No? Do you want to try this?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I gotta see what this actually is because I really do not know.
Where do you buy that from?
The internet. This isn't on there. I didn't get everything out here. Oh, y'all, this is my nephew. This is my nephew, Aaron. They legit did. They didn't put this on here.
Yeah.
It's just an extra thing. I don't know. Okay, you ready?
Yeah. I guess through there. I guess you can't get that.
I guess I won't know what year it is. Oh. Want to take the first bite?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, it's hard, isn't it?
It tastes good.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah, now we gotta try this.
You want to try this one next? Prince Polo.
Yeah.
I can say that.
Oh my gosh, I'm wobbling.
You are? This reminds me of a Twix. I feel like that's what this kind of is going to be. Ew, I don't like. It's melted. Oh, is this dark chocolate? You want to take the first bite?
Yeah.
Is this? Oh, I like this.
I like it too.
I bet you do. It's candy. It's not dark chocolate. I thought it was dark chocolate.
Yeah. I like this.
You want to try this? Y'all, I do not like dark chocolate. Wait, I don't know if that's dark chocolate or not. Okay, so we got the fresh fruit next. And I think there's 2 other ones like it.
You and me are going to share. Don't smell. It smells good.
Don't take a big bite because it's small. Did you? Lord, this boy. I don't know if y'all can see that. He didn't really take a bite.
I'm trying.
This is sour.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. You don't think so?
No. It's still sour to me.
It's not. I can't get that back in there. Okay, so
I'm gonna try it again.
It reminds me of something. I just don't know what it is. I honestly don't like the little sugar stuff around it. Okay, I really cannot get that back in. So hopefully that don't touch nothing. Okay. So we're gonna try the other one. Which I think it's lime. I think that was like pineapple. I think this one is lime or something like that. I'm gonna open it like this time. Yeah, this gotta be lime. Okay, take a bite. Oh yeah. I don't like lime flavored stuff.
Yeah, I don't like it too.
You don't? Okay, I think this one is lemon. Ew, that lime.
Is this a challenge?
I guess. If that's what you want to call it. Take a bite. Ew.
Ew.
Did you like it?
No.
No? Okay. Anyways, so out of all the snacks that we tried today, I think that the potato chips, this one, I really do not know how to say it, so I'm not even going to try to say it.
What's the slogan?
And then the Prince Polo are my favorite 3. Which one did you like the most, Aaron?
That and that.
So you like the Prince Polo, and then you like this one, right? Okay, so would you do this again, Aaron?
Yeah.
Yeah, I would have to say I would do it again. I thought it was a cool experience. So yeah, I would do it again. So I'm going to try, I can't promise, I'm going to try to put the link in the bio for this website. That's really all I have to say about that, because that's really all that I have on that. Would you like to say something to the people, Aaron?
Yeah.
What would you like to say? Look at the camera and say what you got to say.
Outlet.
So, we are at the end of this video. So if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. leave a comment and hit that sub button to become part of the squad, the gang, the crew. And until next time, we will see you guys later. Say bye.
Bye.
Oh, you trying to close it? Wait, no. Y'all, we out.
Yeah.
What? Bye. Get down.
No.
Bye, y'all.
Fiends keep on trying to bet. Who that? Bitch, I got that flame. Who that? Bitch, I got that flame.